Wanna know how to use offline translation feature on your Google Translate app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. You can see that I have a couple of languages that I've chosen to translate. That is, I'm going to write some text on English and it will translate into Spanish. Tap on the three parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap on offline translation below save transcript. You can see I have two of the downloaded language. One is the English, which is the automatically downloaded language for the PC itself, and the second one is the Spanish that I have recently downloaded. I'll show you how to download it by taking you to this option. Let me download this Italian one. For this, tap on the downward directed arrow next to this language and tap on download. You can see that it will need 1.5 GB of your storage. Tap on download and the download has been started. Just wait for it. So after the download is completed successfully, now you can use it offline as well. So I am going to turn off my Wi-Fi for this. You can also do the same, just like this. And you can see that I am without Wi-Fi right now, but still I can use this three of the language. Going back to the first page, you can see that I have one of the feature that I can use properly. That is the text translation and the camera feature. Let me tap to enter some of the text. I am going to enter here. You can see that it's a Spanish translation. To get it fully on a full screen, tap on this rightward directed arrow just below this Spanish translation. So this is how you do it for this. And if I want to download it into Italian, tap on the Spanish on the top right corner, tap on Italian. Now you can see that that's an Italian translation and you do not need any of the Wi-Fi. So this is how you do it for the offline translation. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. Now go back and use this offline translation wherever possible without any Wi-Fi connection or data uses. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.